Welcome to the channel, or if you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today, if everything goes to plan, we'll be unboxing and doing an overview of this Johnnie Walker aged 18 years blended Scotch whisky. If we have a look on the side of the box here, there's some notes from Emma Walker, Master Blender. I wonder if she's any relation to Johnnie Walker. Colour, deep amber. Nose, rich sweet fruit aromas with toffee, caramel, vanilla and a hint of smoke. A complex and sweet palate with dark fruit, malty, cereal, smooth creamy vanilla, fragrant almonds and tangerines. And a gentle smoke developing. And the finish is a lingering finish with dark chocolate, caramelised citrus and a very light smoke. That's according to Emma. On the back here there's more notes about the small team of expert whisky makers. Some instructions on the bottom saying don't drink if you're pregnant. No, I don't have to worry about that. It's 700ml bottle, 40% alcohol by volume. Let's see what's in the box. I've heard a lot of good things about this whisky, and thanks to Mrs. Boomer I now have a bottle of the said whisky. Pop the top off, a thing in the top which locks the bottle in, stops it flopping around in the box. Here is our bottle, and you can see brand new bottle, still got the seal on it, a bit different shape to a lot of Johnnie Walker bottles, thinner tapered bottom, so therefore it's a little bit taller than other 700ml bottles of Johnnie Walker, such as this green label which I prepared earlier. You can see the difference in the shape, but they are both 700ml bottles. So that's it for the overview. I might just have to do a taste test, I think, even though it's only 10 AM. It's a dangerous job, but someone has to do it. I'll give it a taste, see if I can detect all these things listed on the side here, such as coffee, toffee, caramel, vanilla, smoke. All Johnnie Walkers have a hint of smoke, some more so than others. We'll see if I can taste all that other stuff. Here we are at the bar. We shall now proceed to open this Johnnie Walker 18 years and have a little taste. I like the sound of that. We can see it has a cork, not a screw top. I shall now pour just a 30ml shot because it's just after 10 AM. There is often debate on what you should drink your Scotch whisky with. Some people like to mix it, others like to drink it neat. Personally, I like to drink it neat on ice, but plenty of people like to mix it with Coca-Cola or dried ginger ale. There's no rules, you just do whatever makes you happy. Anyway, let's go. Cheers. Well, there's definitely some aroma there. I'm getting some fruit, a hint of smoke, a lot of the other stuff that's written on the side of the box I can't detect, but now well, each to their own. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely smooth on the palate. I'm getting some vanilla, some malt, some fruit. And yes, the finish does linger with the smoke, and just like it says on the box, some chocolate and some citrus. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway.